So we want to get on our yoga mats, on the floor, on our butt. Pull our knees to our chest and press the lower back down into the floor, into the mat. The goal is to try to keep your lower back on the floor the best you can. These are called egg beaters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle my knees out and around, keeping my knees bent. I like to put my fingertips on my knees to guide my legs as they come into my chest, spread, down and around, and up. Do this as a gentle warm-up. And then reverse. Down, around, and up. You can increase the level of difficulty by adding a hip thrust. Put your hands down by your side and lift your knees and your tailbone off the floor. Swing the legs down and around. And again, crunch, up, down and around, and crunch, up. Do the same thing when you reverse it. Crunch, around, knees together, and down. Open knees, pull up, crunch, and down. Put the legs straight up. Flex the feet. Lower the heels halfway, and then pull it back to center. Move slowly and controlled so that you can feel all the deep pelvic floor muscles working. And this is also a great workout for your quads and your hip flexors. Put your hands behind your head. Try to lower those feet just a little bit lower and then pull it back. Just a little bit lower and pull it back. You're resting your head in your hands and you're still trying to press your lower back into the mat. As you start to lower your legs a little bit more, you might start to feel like your back wants to come off the floor. That's natural. But try the best you can to try to keep it anchored. Try to hold it at the bottom. You can put your hands out to the side. Keep those legs together and straight as you try to drop them down towards the right and then towards the left. Your back will come up off the floor and your spine will twist. If you want to increase the intensity, try to lower the legs as far as you can without touching the floor, and then bring it back. Lower down towards the floor, almost, and bring it back. Twist, and back, and twist, and back. Send your hips up in the air in a bridge pose, just as some relief, a little bit of a break from all the ab work. And then for a big stretch, take yourself into a bridge, back bend. And that is today's conditioning exercises for our abs.